Technology has transformed the way we write and communicate, from the manual typewriter to modern computers and laptops. This evolution has reshaped productivity, education, and daily life. The first typewriter to be commercially successful was patented in 1868 by Americans Christopher Latham Schultz, Frank Haven Hall, Carlos Glidden, and Samuel. Sold in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, they sold their shares in the patent for $79,265 to Scholl and James Densmore, who made an agreement with Remington and Sons to commercialize the machine as the Scholl and Glidden typewriter. This was the original of the term typewriter. Over the years, typewriters underwent several key developments and improved their functionality and accessibility. The QWERTY keyboard layout was introduced to prevent keys from jamming, while the engraving system allowed for clearer and more legible printing. The innovation of portable typewriters made writing more convenient outside the office, and later, electric typewriters in the mid-20th century significantly increased typing speed and ease of use. These innovations eventually led to the standardization of typewriters in offices and schools worldwide, making them an essential tool for communication and education. Despite its impact, the typewriter had limitations. Errors were hard to correct, documents couldn't be restored digitally, and editing required retyping entire pages. Computers, in their earliest form, were enormous mechanical machines designed to perform calculations. In the 1940s, the first electronic computers, like the ENIAC, were developed to process data far faster than human ever could. These early computers were primarily used in universities, government office, and large corporations, performing complex calculations that were impossible to do by hand. By the late 20th century, technological advances made computers smaller, more affordable, and more reliable, paving the way for the rise of personal computers in home and office. In the 2000s, computer became significantly more compact and portable, and laptops emerged as practical alternatives to bulky desktop. The early laptops allowed users to type, research, and communicate from virtually anywhere, featuring faster processors, larger storage, improved graphics, and internet connectivity. Interestingly, the QWERTY keyboard layout from typewriters was adopted in computers and laptops, showing a direct link between the two technologies. As technology continued to evolve, laptops became smarter and more versatile. Modern smart laptops now include high-resolution touchscreens, lightweight design, long-lasting batteries, and advanced software that support multitasking, creativity, and collaboration. Cloud storage and wireless connectivity allow files and applications to access from anywhere, while security features like fingerprint, scanner, and facial recognition make this device safer for personal and professional use. Today, smart laptops are not just tools for typing or calculations, they are powerful, portable workstations, entertainment hubs, and creative studio, capable of connecting people, ideas, and communities in ways early computers could never have imagined. That evolution from manual typewriters to smart laptops illustrates how two innovations build on one another, transforming the way we work, study, and interact in the modern world. While manual typewriters were simple, durable, and effective for basic typing, they were limited in speed, editing, and storage. Computer and laptops on the other hand, are faster, more versatile, and allow digital editing, storage, and communication across the globe. Typewriters were low cost, required no electricity, and could last for decades, while modern computers are more expensive and consume energy, but reduce paper use and enable remote work, learning, and collaboration. Both technologies share the goal of improving communication. The typewriter laid for a foundation, and computers expanded it into a powerful global tool reshaping productivity, daily life, and communities. The journey from the manual typewriter to today's smart laptops highlights that incredible progress of technology. Each innovation has built on the last, making communication faster, easier, and more connected. From office and classrooms to home and global networks, these tools continue to shape the way we live,